Our IDEX Health and Science Middleboro, Massachusetts facility is home to the development and manufacturing of our column hardware, pumps, pump components, and microfluidics manifold product lines. Our 80,000 square foot site houses high-precision manufacturing, RD&E testing labs, and clean room assembly space. The facility is ISO 9001 certified. The Middleboro site has several areas of expertise. These include precision machining of metal, hard materials, and plastics, making us one of the largest manufacturers of column hardware products. We also process hard materials such as ceramic and sapphire to super precision tolerances. Additionally, the site features ISO Class 6 and Class 7 clean room capabilities. Our primary machining capabilities are in milling and turning. We excel at high-precision machining to tolerances of 0.2 of 1,000th of an inch, producing surface finishes to 16 micro inches. Manufacturing to precise size and condition supports the sealing integrity and mechanical drive properties required within the sub-assemblies and components produced at the Middleboro site. Our products are moved through secondary processes including microscope inspection, precision deburring, cleaning, chemical passivation, and assembly to provide the high level of quality our customers have come to expect. Many of the components we produce require precision ground micro-tooling with the ability to drill holes as small as 5,000ths of an inch in diameter and bore features as small as 35,000ths of an inch in diameter. We run a two-shift operation, processing approximately 850 different part numbers at a total production output of over 4 million units annually. Precise and consistent processing of hard materials is integral to ensure the quality and life of a pump, which is the core to any life science instrument. We process ball seats and pistons used in a wide range of chromatography applications. Working with sapphire and ceramic seats and synthetic ruby balls, our equipment has the capability of holding dimensional tolerances up to 10 millionths of an inch and surface tolerances less than 1 micron. Our proprietary press fit or heat set process ensures the tightest piston OD and ferrule ID tolerances in the industry. Both areas run 2 shifts per day and support hundreds of thousands of parts annually. The Middleboro site has 2 state-of-the-art clean rooms. All pump assembly and testing is performed in our 4,000 square foot ISO Class 7 clean room, and pump component assembly and testing is performed in our 1,000 square foot ISO Class 6 clean room. These rooms have continuous environmental controls and particulate measuring that allows the area to perform product life and specific performance requirements. We have a dedicated and enthusiastic team in Middleboro with a focus on safety, quality, and meeting our customers' needs. We have earned the reputation as a site that can execute well with high volume and consistent quality production. Our components enable a wide variety of critical applications, from food safety to drug development. We are proud that we are helping to make a difference in the world and delivering on the IDEX promise of trusted solutions, improving lives.